Okay, good.
I've gone too big, but anyway.
Good. So
I still
yours
like it.
is ready. That's all right. I mean, we'll see how it looks on the paper colour-wise. So we'll capture it on the paper, we'll have a look, and then we'll start again. We've got lots of colour on there. We're going to do the Gelget, and then you're going to see how you like it on paper, and then you can change which colours that you use for the next one.
Oh, those look really nice, Alice, together. Thank you. This is so therapeutic.
Okay, so now...
Maybe guide me now.
Well,
I'm not sure what to do next.
If you look across at Alice's here, look.
It's beautiful.
So if you want to do the same as what Alice just did,
just lovely.
So all you need to do now is go
that way.
Bisect the hearts, yeah, and then back this way.
Okay. I haven't done it anywhere near as well, have you?
Alice was incredibly controlled.
Yeah.